just took the FPV drone out over the ocean, and man, there is nothing like flying a drone over water. It is scary and exciting all at the same time. So first, let me show you guys a little bit about where we've been filming today. So we'll start off with the drone backpack. And this is just a backpacking one, and I wrap the strap around the drone here and then cover it with the top piece. And this is where we're at. This is where I was filming today. Hopefully we'll come back with a spotter sometime. Oh shit, there was some wildlife there. And when the water's a little less disgusting. So that'd be nice. And now we are gonna take off and head over to the ruins, which are just up the hill. So, see you there.